Good morning, সুপ্রভাত, শুভ সকাল, শুভ দিন, গুড ডে, হাউ আর ইউ অল? কেমন আছেন আপনারা? সব ভালো তো? ইনশাল্লাহ আজকে আমরা একটা নতুন অঙ্ক করব। We will try to solve a new problem today. So let me share my computer screen with you. Says solve the differential equation y prime minus e is a natural number to the power of y sin x equal to 0. So first I will separate the y prime from the rest. So I will basically add e to the power of y sin x on both sides. So that means I have y prime is equal to, because on the left e to the power of y sin x cancel, I have on the right hand side of the equation e to the power of y sin x. Okay, now that means I have y prime is the first derivative of y with respect to x, so I have dy by dx is equal to e to the power of y sin x. Now I will multiply by dx on both sides. When I do that, in the left hand side, I am only left with derivative of y is equal to e to the power of y sin x dx, because the dx on the left hand side of the equal to sign in the numerator and denominator, they cancel. Now I will divide by e to the power of y on both sides of the equations. So this will be divided by ey, the right hand side of the equal to sign will also be divided by ey. Okay, so I have on the left hand side of the equation integration of e to the power of minus y dy is equal to sin x dx. Okay. And if I do that, the integration on the left hand side, I will have to integrate on the right hand side of the equation too. So in this step, let's not just integrate, let's just do the algebraic manipulation, that is bring e to the power of y from the denominator on the left hand side to e to the power of minus y multiplied by dy on the right hand side, on the left hand side, and on the right hand side e to the power of y in the denominator cancels with e to the power of y in the numerator, leaving sin x dx. Let me take a brief minute to explain where I'm going. I'm going to integrate on both sides. But before I do that, let me tell you that I have solved all kinds of math problems in this channel. So please take a minute, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It really motivates me to produce new videos just for you. And please, if you like this video, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. So now let's going to create some space here and try to do the integration. Okay. So now I integrate on both sides. So integration of e to the power of minus dy is equal to integration, pardon me, integration of sin x dx. Now integration of e to the power of minus y with respect to y is nothing but minus e to the power of minus y is equal to integration of sin x is minus cosine x plus c, where c is integration constant. Where c is integration constant. Constant. Now I will divide by minus 1 on both sides. Let me take care of that by drawing a straight line. So this becomes e to the power of y, because minus 1 and minus on the numerator cancel, is equal to cosine x, and we can get a new constant as c1, okay, or cosine x minus c, okay, and I didn't forget the minus y over here. Okay, so dividing by minus 1 on both sides, I cancel the minus in front of the numerator and denominator on the left hand side. So I'm left with e to the power of minus y in the left hand side. In the right hand side, dividing by minus 1 gives me cosine x minus c. Or I can write e to the power of y is equal to 1 over cosine x minus c. Okay, so let me create some more space. Okay, so I just flipped over. Or let me just not jump steps. Let me write e to the power of minus y is same as 1 e to the power of y is equal to cosine x minus c, or flipping over, e to the power of y is equal to 1 over cosine x plus c1, where c1 is equal to minus c, another integration constant. Integration constant. Now I take natural logarithm on both sides. Take natural logarithm on both sides. Taking natural logarithm on both sides, I get, oops, ln, oops, what happened? Ln of e, taking natural, no, here, taking natural logarithm on both sides, I will get logarithm on both sides, ln of e to the power of y is equal to ln 1 over cosine x plus c1. Okay. Or e to the power of y is equal to ln of 1 and the absolute value 1 over cosine x plus c1. Okay. Or e to the power of y is equal to minus, because ln of 1 over cosine x plus c1 is same as negative cosine x plus c1, where C1 is, as mentioned before, where C1 is integration constant. Integration constant. Integration constant. Let me write that clearly so that there is no. Okay. So integration constant, this one. Integration constant should be written clearly. That's why I erased it. Integration constant. Integration constant. Hence, the final answer is taking, something e to the power of y is should be left as ln of e to the power of y is equal to ln of 1 absolute value of 1 cosine x plus c1, which is same as minus ln cosine x plus c1. Okay, I'll leave it at this. Okay, I will leave it at this and stop here today. So either way, we got the correct answer, which is ey is equal to e to the power of y is equal to 1 over cosine x plus c1, where c1 is an integration constant. You can move one step further by taking natural logarithm on both sides. And if you take natural logarithm on both sides, actually, you will be left with y equal to, after taking the natural logarithm, it will be, this part will be just y, because natural logarithm of e to the power of y is nothing but y. So that's your final solution. Y is equal to. So the final solution is y equal to minus ln cosine of x plus c1. That's your final answer. Let me highlight that, which is this one. Y is equal to minus ln x cosine x plus c. Okay, because when we took the natural logarithm of e to the power of y, it just gives you y. Okay, and you get an absolute value of 1 over cosine x plus c1, which by the rule of natural logarithms is minus ln cosine x plus c1. Hence, y equal to minus ln or natural logarithm of cosine x plus c1 is the correct answer. Okay, let me walk through you, just summarize what I did. So the first, I was given y is prime minus e to the power of y, sine x equal to 0. I separated the y prime by itself. Y prime, as you know, is the first derivative of y with respect to x. So dy by dx is e to the power of y sine x multiplied by dx on both sides. So you have dy uh, e to the power of y sine x dx divided by e to the power of y on both sides, and you get e to the power of minus y in dy is equal to sine x dx. So now you can integrate on the left hand side e to the power of minus y dy, which is e to the power of minus y, and on the right hand side for the integration you get minus cosine x plus c, divide by minus 1 on both sides, e to the power of minus y is equal to cosine x minus c, or e to the power of y is equal to 1 over cosine x plus C1 is equal to minus C, integration constant. Take natural logarithm on both sides, ln of e to the power of y is actually just y by itself is equal to ln absolute value of 1 over cosine x plus C1, where C1 is an integration constant, or you can write it as minus ln x, ln natural logarithm cosine x plus C1. Okay, I stop here today. Any question, any comment, do not hesitate. যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে নির্দ্বিধায় আমায় করুন, আমি উত্তর দেব. If you have any question, just go ahead and ask me. Okay, and drop a note in the comment. I'd love to know where you're viewing from, and I'm ready to answer any of your question. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button on the bottom right. And do not forget to watch me tomorrow when I'll be back with another interesting video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you.